has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, hi guys. I'm out here at an interesting kind of a place. Just close to Sangudo. Actually at a train bridge, a truss bridge that I wanted to film. And
Take off.
oh, hang on, it wants me to calibrate. Okay, well, I guess we don't need to calibrate.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, and there you should be able to see the bridge and some of the fall colors. Now, unfortunately, I'm a little late getting back here, so it's a little late for light as far as I'm concerned, but I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer to the thing, and we'll fly over there. Hopefully we won't get too much interference, and we can get a little bit closer to that bridge and have a nice look at it. There, that gives you a pretty good contrast of what it looks like. And we'll give it a little bit of a turn. We'll see if we can fly all the way down this darn thing. Looks pretty good. I'm liking it. And we can see some of the fall colors in the trees. That's very nice. And of course there's the creek running down through the bottom there. That's nice and pretty too. So yeah, looking pretty darn good. There, we got to the other side of that bridge. Strong wind warning. Fly with caution. Well, of course we'll fly with caution. Always. You can see that. Whoa, spinning a little too fast there. Oh, I want to get the gimbal back up so you can kind of get a good idea how long that thing is. Fair sized bridge, so looks pretty cool to me. And I swear those trees are in rows across there. Looks like somebody planted them. Okay, we're not like the wild ones that are all over the place. Anyway, that's just a quick video. I didn't want to do too much out here because I am on my way home, and as is, it's going to end up being like 9 o'clock by the time I get there, since I'm still about 2 hours away from Edmonton to the northwest. The closest towns here, kind of between Mayerthorpe and Sangudo, Alberta, and it looks pretty cool. And of course, it's Lac Sainte Anne is the county that we're in. And what's it say here? Well, this CN, I guess Canadian National Railways, it must be their bridge. This picnic area was made possible through the generous donation by CN and in partnership with Lac Sainte Anne County. Please enjoy. That's what is on the placard here, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, I wanted to kind of see if I can fly to the other side of that thing a little bit. We'll raise it up a little bit and we'll go forward. Pardon me. And we'll see if we're going right over top of it. Ooh, there's stuff down there. Okay. Strong wind warning. Well, let's have a look at this. Oh, okay. And we'll look all the way down the bridge. That's pretty cool. Oop. Going a little fast there. So yeah, that's what the other side seems to look like. I'll turn that puppy around. Some kind of a driveway or something. They must be doing some work on it down there. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Anyway, that's what she'd be looking like, guys. So I am going to call it a day. We'll point at some of the nice pretty colors. You can see the nice fall colors. This year we're kind of lucky. We've got some fall colors. So aircraft signal interference I'm getting. All right, well, I think what we'll do is we'll head it back up here. Oh yeah, there's that sun. It looks like it's about to go setting on us. Anyway, we'll see if this gets us a little closer to us. I don't even know where that darn thing is. Hopefully it's coming. I should see if I can see the highway. Ha! Okay, there's the highway. Oh, I should go that way yet. All right, I kind of sort of see where I am. Quite a ways away, really. Holy Batman. 1,800 feet. I was over 2,000 feet away from me. See, that's what is nice when you're out in the country and you don't have any interference. You know, it really does make a big difference as far as your range. So I'm happy it's a going. And we see it. It's over there somewhere. Well, I don't see it yet, but it's coming back. It's at 79 feet. And in elevation, 78 feet. Should be above the trees, but still too far away. Don't see it yet. Gotta be getting closer. I can see me. Oh, there she is. I can see it. All right. We'll do another pan around here before I put it away. So that's a pretty nice looking bridge along the highway. Beautiful fall colors. It's just gorgeous out there. So that's what we got. Anyway, thanks all for popping onto the video and having a look at it. And do appreciate it. Appreciate every view. It really does count. So we'll see if we can get a little closer here. Okay, I'm gonna try it. We'll see if we can land it right on that darn picnic table. Oh, what's this thing? It just popped me out of the app. Oh, okay. How about I'll hit that home button and see if it can actually land it.
Landing.
Okay, it's coming down from its high perch. And it looks like it wants to land here instead of over there. Okay, well, you want to land here? You can land there. All right. Okay, we're happy. We landed. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.